Hi, in this video I will show you how to send your OBS feed to Zoom. You can also use Skype, Meet and any other video calling application. For this you have to install an OBS plugin which I have linked in the description below. Make sure you have the latest version of the OBS Studio. Go to OBS, then click on Tools and you can see a virtual cam option. Click on that. If you are unable to see, just restart your PC. After that, you can see a pop-up window and you can make your changes on your comfort. For tutorial purpose, I am just clicking Start. Go to Zoom, click on the video arrow button or a video setting, select OBS camera. Now you can see your OBS feed to Zoom. Don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel, Christian Media Network.